Good morning, students. Today we will study the introduction to milk reception and pre-processing in a dairy plant. This lecture explains what happens to milk from the moment it reaches the dairy plant until it is safely stored for further processing. Understanding this stage is critical because it determines the final product quality. In this session, we will analyze reception, testing, filtration, chilling, and storage systems. This slide introduces the concept of pre-processing. There are four major blocks shown here. First, milk reception. This involves unloading, grading, and testing raw milk at the dock. Second, chilling. Milk is rapidly cooled to below 4 degrees Celsius to arrest bacterial growth and preserve quality. Third, filtration. Visible sediment and foreign particles are removed using filters or clarifiers. Fourth, silo storage. Chilled milk is stored in insulated silos before entering the processing section. Together, these steps form the dairy plant flow. Now let us understand the meaning of milk reception. This slide describes it as the handshake point. Milk reception is the critical interface where raw milk moves from farm transport into the dairy plant system. There are four main activities: unloading, physical transfer from tankers or cans to the plant dock; grading, organoleptic checks such as smell and appearance for immediate quality screening; sampling and testing, laboratory analysis for fat, SNS, acidity, and antibiotic residues; weighing and transfer, measuring quantity and pumping milk into storage tanks. This stage decides acceptance or rejection. This slide highlights the importance of reception and treatment. First, microbial safety. Rejecting milk with antibiotics or high bacterial load prevents health hazards and processing failures. Second, product quality. Maintaining correct fat and SNF composition ensures superior final products. Third, process efficiency. Correct grading avoids wasting resources on inferior milk. Fourth, traceability. Accurate records allow tracking milk back to farm origin for accountability. Therefore, reception directly impacts safety and economics. Here we see the overview of milk flow in a dairy plant. The diagram shows farm dairy tank to milk tanker truck to reception bay to storage silo. Step 1. Milk is stored at the farm tank after milking. Step 2. It is transported in insulated milk tanker trucks. Step 3. At the reception bay, unloading, testing occur. Step 4. Milk is pumped into storage silos. This is the farm to storage journey. The objectives of pre-processing are clearly listed here. First, clarify. Remove visible sediment, straw, and foreign particles from raw milk. Second, chill. Rapidly cool milk to below 4 degrees Celsius to arrest bacterial growth. Third, measure. Accurately measure quantity by weight or volume for payment. Fourth, store. Hold milk in insulated silos before further processing. Each objective ensures quality control. This slide shows the sequence of pre-processing steps. The steps are 1. Unloading, 2. Weighing, 3. Sampling and testing, 4. Filtering, 5. Cooling, 6. Storage. The sequence is important. Testing must occur before mixing milk. Filtering removes impurities. Cooling must happen immediately after clarification. Storage follows only after proper temperature control. Process order ensures safety. This slide explains the link between pre-processing and final quality. Proper reception and pre-processing include proper chilling below 4 degrees Celsius, effective filtration, gentle handling, hygienic storage. These directly impact four final parameters. Shelf life. Low initial bacterial count extends product life. Flavor and texture prevents off flavors due to lipolysis or spoilage. Food safety eliminates physical hazards and pathogens. Product yield minimizes losses from rejection or spoilage. Thus, pre-processing directly determines final performance. This is a visual summary of farm to plant flow. The sequence is farm dairy, milking and initial cooling, tanker, insulated and timely transportation, reception bay, grading, sampling, lab testing and weighing, pre-processing, filtration, clarification, chilling below 4 degrees Celsius and sometimes thermization, silo storage, temperature control and agitation to maintain uniformity. This entire section is called the dairy plant zone. To conclude, milk reception and pre-processing form the first critical control point inside the dairy plant. Proper unloading, testing, filtration, chilling and storage ensure microbiological safety, product quality and economic efficiency. If mistakes occur at this stage, they affect the entire production chain. Thank you.